In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a gift card in Etsy. If you've received an Etsy gift card and you're not quite sure how to turn it into something you can actually spend, this walkthrough will take you through the whole process from start to finish. By the end, your gift card balance will be added to your Etsy account and ready to use on your next purchase. First, open your web browser and go to the Etsy Marketplace homepage. You can do this by typing the Etsy website address into your browser's address bar and pressing enter. Make sure you're on the official Etsy site, and if you already have an account, it's a good idea to sign in first so the gift card can be applied directly to your profile. Once you're on the Etsy homepage, look for the section or link labeled gift cards. This is usually found toward the bottom of the page or in the site's footer area. Go ahead and click on gift cards. This will take you to a page that explains Etsy gift cards and how they work. On the gift cards page, you'll see options for buying new gift cards, but what you're looking for is the link that says redeem a gift card. It can be easy to miss, so take a moment to scan the page carefully. When you find redeem a gift card, click on that link. This will bring you to the dedicated redemption page. Here you'll see a field where you can enter your gift card or code. Click into the code field so your cursor is active there. Now carefully type in the gift card code exactly as it appears on your physical or digital gift card. Pay close attention to any letters and numbers and watch out for common mix-ups like the letter O and the number 0. If your gift card was emailed to you, you can also copy and paste the code to avoid mistakes. After you've entered the code and double-checked it for accuracy, look for the button labeled Redeem. When you're sure the code is correct, click on Redeem. Etsy will process the code, and if everything is valid, the amount on the gift card will be added to your Etsy balance. From this point on, when you go to checkout on Etsy, your gift card balance will be available as a payment option, and it will automatically apply to your order as long as you're signed in to the same account.